Welcome to our latest Decor Ideas YouTube channel where we unveil the incredible world of understairs minimalist designs packed with ingenious tricks and hacks that maximize space and elevate your home's aesthetics. In this video, we will take you on a captivating journey of creative and practical ideas that transform the often neglected understairs area into a stunning and functional space in which number one is space saving storage solutions. Discover clever storage tricks and that utilize the understairs areas to its fullest potential. From built in cabinets and dryers to innovative shelving units, we will showcase how to keep your belongings organized while maintaining a clutter free ambience. Number two is cozy reading nooks and mini libraries. Embrace the idea of turning the understairs space into a cozy reading nook or mini library. We will provide tips on creating comfortable seating areas and shelves that display your favorite books and reading materials. Number 3 is home office hideaways. Witness the magic of transforming the understairs area into a stylish and efficient home office. Learn how to optimize the space with a minimalist desk, floating shelves, and smart lighting to create a productive and inspiring work environment. Number 4 is mini bar and entertainment zone. Embrace the art of entertaining by converting the understairs space into a mini bar or entertainment zone. We will showcase sleek cabinets for glassware, wine racks, and a chic countertop for mixing drinks and hosting gatherings. Number 5 is plant lovers paradise. Explore the possibility of creating a lush and green oasis with indoor plants and botanical decor under the stairs. From hanging planters to vertical garden displays, we will provide plant care tips for maintaining a vibrant and refreshing ambience. Number 6 is creative decorative elements. Unleash your creativity with decorative elements like minimalist artwork, mirrors, and accept lighting. Will guide you on how to use these design tricks to open up the space and create an illusion of depth. So join us as we unlock the incredible potential of understairs minimalist designs with these ingenious tricks and hacks. Whether you are seeking practical storage solutions, a cozy reading corner, or a sleek home office, these ideas will help you make the most of every square inch of your home. Again, welcome to a world of ingenious tricks and hacks that will unleash the incredible potential of understairs minimalist designs. So, we will explore a myriad of creative and practical ideas that make the most of this often overlooked space. From space saving storage solutions to cozy reading nooks, and from stylish home offices to captivating mini bars, we will reveal how the understairs area can be transformed into a functional and aesthetically pleasing oasis. Whether you have a small apartment or a spacious house, these minimalist designs will inspire you to optimize every nook and cranny of your home. So join us as we uncover the secrets of maximizing space and elevating your living spaces with these understairs design ideas that redefine the art of minimalism. Don't forget to like and share this video to your relatives, fellows, and other members. And please subscribe my latest Decor Ideas YouTube channel for more latest modern ideas and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming home decor and design inspiration videos. Let's embark on this exciting journey of transforming the understairs area into a functional and stylish oasis of minimalist brilliance. I hope this video will be very helpful for you for choosing a best model, a best design or ideas for understairs minimalist designs. And again, please subscribe my latest decor ideas YouTube channel because I have a collection of different interior and exterior designs for your home's beauty and most attractive things for your outdoor converting into a beautiful one place. So thank you.